Hey guys, I am back with another MOC. It's a Space Police moon car, sort of based on the moon car that gift with purchase that came out earlier this year. It's detailed all around and underneath. It's got these thrusters on the underside. And on the back it's got these also, and it has some engines. It's got police decals on the sides and the front. Light sirens on the top, front, and sides. Got these air vents. Got some hose on this underside and on the other sides on each. It's got space for 2 minifigs inside. Got 2 cops in there. Also has all these little knickknacks and controls on the inside, some lights. On the back, it's got a trunk for the battery, I guess. But yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you liked it. Bricks go far, and I'm out.